This is Ody, a full stack restaurant operations dashboard I built as a part of the Odyssey engineering assignment. Before I dive in, let me quickly cover what's under the hood because the product is only half the story. The stack is a PNP monorepo with Turbo Repo, a Expo React Native web frontend, a Hono backend running on Cloudflare workers, PostgreSQL with Drizzle ORM, and a fully generated API client via Orville. Every tab the frontend uses flows from the Drizzle schema through the Drizzle Zord, through the OpenAI spec through a Orville, no handwritten DTOs anywhere in the code base. I'll start with the design scheme because everything you are about to see is built on top of it. This is the route for the UI library. It essentially contains every single color tokens, semantic surfaces, typographies, spacing, surfaces, components, buttons, badges, all the status updates. As a base layer, we just have included everything in the UI library, again like a navigational buttons which would go to orders and the CRM. The purpose of this is to make the front end scalable. Adding new pages means picking components off a shelf and not reinventing patterns. Now let's go to the home page. On the home page, we have our 4 KPIs: the orders today, revenue today, pending orders, and the most popular item. We are also displaying the top recent orders here with customers, the total dollar amount, what is their status, and the time when the order was essentially accepted by us. We have different statuses which are like the order is ready, completed, it's in the preparing stages, it's accepted. We also have the top menu items which are ranked and a bar to just show the differences in the total. Let's move on to the orders portal where we have status, where we have like the status of where the order is from all, pending, accepted, preparing, ready, completed, and cancelled. It's only in the forwarding stage, as in let's go to this Elena, the order. When we view the order, okay, we are going to accept it, and when you accept it, it's gone to the order accepted stage. So we can see Alina is here, is accepted. Now let's track her and let's move this up one ahead. Let's say we are done with this thing and we start preparing. So once you create preparing, it's gone to the preparing stage. So there is no going back, as like how a restaurant would operate. Only when the status changes, it has to move forward in the schema. So again, it will keep going, and till the end the order is either completed or it's cancelled due to some like storage issues or like the database issues, or we don't have that item. We can also store this according to the from date and the to date, which is mentioned here at the time of the creation of the orders. When we go to the menu, we have 3 categories here: the starters, mains, and the drinks. You can again edit the starters or like change the categories. Let's keep this like this. Let's add a new option of french fries here as our new starter. Let's keep the price to $13.50. It's in starters and it's available. You can save it, it comes up here. You can change the status. Let's say you're out of the stock, it goes down. You can even edit if you want to change the item. You can delete it here. It again pops up asking you whether you want to delete this item or not. Okay, let's delete it for now. Similarly, you can do it for meals and drinks. Let's move on to the CRM portal. The CRM portal consists of name, email, orders, lifetime spent, and the last order. We can track these people's transactions of, let's go to Elena as we were tracking her earlier. So we can check how many orders they have done, the lifetime spent, and the average order value. We get their data ready if you want to like track them back or prepare more systems around it. Let's say you want to create a loyalty program, so this data would be really useful. Understanding how much they spend and more analytics would help you grow the business. Let's move on to the settings part, which is essentially like a dashboard which controls the whole operation. You can rename a kitchen to Ody. You can change the timestamps. Currently the service is available. As you can see, the service is open. We can change that, new orders will be rejected. For this to change, you just have to like save changes as a confirmation, and now the service is closed. Let's keep this open for now. Similar with auto accept orders, if there are too many demands of orders and you are like a fast food chain who continuously wants to deliver the orders, you can just keep this on. So the system will just skip the accepting or like the preparation stage, the accepted stage or the confirm stage, and straight away like your order will go to ready immediately. These are the opening and the closing hours. You can even change this. So to summarize, Ody is a fully integrated restaurant operations product with a real design system, a type-safe generated API contract, enforced backend business logic, and 5 functional dashboard pages. The code base is clean, architecture is deliberate, and every decision maps to the real engineering reason, not just making it work, but making it maintainable. Thanks for watching, and that was it, the assignment.